Hi, today we're going to look at Chapter 4, Part 1. We're going to start by looking at, I got to press present here. All right, we're going to start by looking at modes of inheritance. So we have two main forms of inheritance that we're going to start by focusing on. We're going to talk about autosomal dominant. These are found on the autosomes, and they appear every generation. And if you look in your book on table 4.2, page 77, I'll give you a list of those. And then autosomal recessive is found on the autosomes, and it can skip generations. All right, so one of the things that you need to know about is Mr. Mendel. All right, Mr. Mendel, Gregor Mendel, is considered the father of genetics. He was an Austrian monk, and he had a question. So, most science starts out with a question. So his question was, why did certain traits disappear in one generation and then reappear the next? Right? So he actually crossed and recorded 24,034 pea plants to help him get this answer. All right, so Mendel's experiment. So why did he use pea plants? So first of all, pea plants are really easy to grow. They develop quickly, so you're not waiting forever to get to the next generation. And then they have traits that are two distinguishable forms. So we'll look at that for a second. Okay, so you can see there were 7 traits that Mendel focused on. He focused on flower color, flower position, seed color, seed shape, pod color, and stem length. And you can see there are 2 main varieties. So flower color, there's purple and white. And then seed color, there's yellow and green. So he's easily able to tell the difference between those. Okay, so the first generation you need to know is called P1. This is the parental generation. Right? The F1 is the first filial generation, and this is our second generation. The F2 is the second filial generation, which is technically the third generation. So you have your parents, their children, and then their grandchildren. All right, so Mendel's experiments, we will get into this a little bit later.